right side of the silver challenge.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is actually wild.
That's interesting.
Hey, you want to see? See, you want to see girl in Yash?
This is hard.
See, this is wild. Wait.
This is not leave video again.
Hold on. You want please with the see? No, there's one you can see she's actually bouncing the thing.
I think
This is wild.
No, wait.
Nah, this is fine. It's gonna take semi for one day.
Yeah, for send them.
the Bussy challenge.
Yeah.
That one, I even done some small, but I'll show you this. This is my favorite one I've seen so far.
Okay.
This is the one. Look at.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. See,
Like,
he likes it. He likes
See, like
it.
the way you see the way she was like.
Yeah.
It was like, maybe you are coming.
No, but there's this one though. You have to see this one. I'm sorry.
It's actually funny, right?
Did you see how she got those time boxes?
But why did she do it here though?
I didn't do it, but it's just so funny. Like, just look at her.
The way like her mind don't do talk, she just
At
did it,
all. Like, she was, as though she was just walking away. She didn't
So
see
like
it.
how these things were they start? Like,
I learned it actually started on TikTok, but I don't know who started it. Who?
Do you know? So I don't know. Like, with Silhouette Challenge, nobody really knows.
Mhm.
Like,
you women and Casa, if they didn't know, they just start since you big bother.
It not be the
Oh,
boys where they
why,
start.
what's wrong with that?
No, it not be boys where they start out.
But
It not be boys.
Challenges like this will be nice.
Baby.
The
You
Bussy
don't
challenge.
like?
Yeah, I like the Bussy
No.
challenge.
I don't like the
did my
slow. I like the slow mo.
This slow mo.
Yeah, I like that one. I can sing the song.
Yeah.
She don't like it. Dana nati. Na. It's a little cucumber. Okapa.
So when they do like they drink water, they want to do both.
The cucumber, you do it like this.
Hey, see
That
her.
was
You do it like this. Then you wind your waist. Then you do it.
No, but we don't know. Sometimes people just do something and then.
Yeah, but how did that start though?
What, the slow mo one?
The slow mo.
I don't know. I just remember seeing one girl on Instagram called Jenny. She did it with a different song. Like she did, Yemi Alade and
What's that? Is it a loading? No.
no, not Loading. It's Yemi Alade and Fowls.
Oh, okay.
The song is out of my head. But you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
I don't know the song. No, you don't know. Single and it's such she wants to mingle.
Too dope.
So that was the first one.
Yeah, that's
Before
when that's
the
when I started
Dananati,
seeing
I don't know if that's the song. Well, just like
Yeah, who's that? Is that Omale?
I don't
Is
know.
it Omale or is
Omale.
it Omale, right? Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. That song is Omale.
No, there's one. Thank God I got the lead. There's a different one.
Oh yeah, I did the challenge.
Okay. Would you ever jump on any of the trends?
I jumped on Bussy challenge.
You did, girl. Girl. Hey. See, I actually did the slow mo, right? See, I killed that one. Let me just show you.
What you Slow.
No,
And I did them. Put your head on my
You did that
shoulder.
one.
So why you
I kept it on my phone.
Ah,
Which one did you jump on? I know the one you jumped on. I know.
Okay, we
If it's Stingy Man Association, look at you, Stingy Man.
This is my fault.
You cry. You
No,
even
no, but
see your looks cry. No, it looks like you look at his glasses.
We the come.
See?
We they manage the money. Like,
Eh,
so say the circulation for the system is like to be balanced.
eh.
Wow.
No.
That trend was mad.
It was mad, eh? But Stingy Man, where you they use this for?
I know why.
You know why? You know why?
The two for yourself, I go package go house.
This stuff I go package. I'm this bag. Make them package give me.
So like this plenty challenges or people no get reservations about.
I mean, there are reservations.
Yeah, like there's silhouettes like
but-
this. I
yeah.
think looking at the challenge, right? Going naked and stuff like that. Maybe in the nearby future, and you're actually looking for a job,
Yeah.
and they go. Some companies actually search online to see,
to see.
and they see all these things, and then, there's. This you, Pampa. So there's this one that they actually have filters. Like there's an app that you can take off the filters. So
Marvelous.
Filter, take off the red and black.
Yeah,
And then it shows the
whole thing going on there. So yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I did this before, like if I manage, not every challenge.
I mean, yeah, but I don't really know what the inspiration, or maybe they actually want to be like out there like that. Maybe they were just looking for a way. Maybe.
I mean, everyone has their own reservation.
Yeah.
Everyone has their own opinion.
Yeah.
You just have to respect everybody's opinions and
Some
way of
opinions,
thinking.
yeah.
For me personally, Basket Challenge.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I did my own.
Oh, it
I
was
loved
fun. It was
I think it
fun.
was fine. It was
Yeah, I
fine.
liked it too. Yeah.
That's all fire. Right? Yeah,
And I loved, I love as well, like just the fact that how it started off with like just the women at first,
Mm-hmm.
and then the men started doing it. And I
They
started
did?
seeing them. Yeah, they started.
No, I didn't see that
Ah,
one. Did you see?
Come and see swag.
Ready
Like,
to be on
what?
IG or TikTok.
No, I didn't see that one.
Twitter,
No,
yeah.
I saw only the ladies.
No, they're there.
Girls,
They're there. No,
But Chayo, what's how see a stingy man's open man? Like, Me, I can't think far. If you're mouth, so you sure say girls where they here now, like the mouth they work for them. This 21st. If you're you,
Somebody to take money for a sugar for that they can't take even boy.
it's love. I can do that. Though.
So your awareness.
it's all about.
It's all love. No, sugar daddy will go be stingy, or you the guy will be stingy.
You're the boy for be stingy.
Oh, but if you're stingy, I'll not give you any money.
If you be stingy,
Give,
you help your woman.
God said, give.
But no, you make her more hardworking. Eh? You make she be good. You see, Bamia come, he say they can't fight the dollar themselves.
Mm-hmm.
So as to be stingy money, they help the economy. Just plenty money no go flow for the system like that.
Sure.
What is he saying?
I don't know what
Family
you said.
and friends, so bro, count. Family and friends.
Please, can you speak English so I can understand?
No, you
what
should
you're
speak
saying?
Chi. No. There be catchy because Rafona so mixing. Yeah, and what's the day? Stingy me mo boy mine no. My tree is even coming. See.
I can hear it.
Hey.
I can feel
The
it.
country. See, as
So
a
wait.
stingy man.
So you're telling me being a stingy man is helping the economy, but
course.
doesn't the economy need money? So you need to spend.
No, you have
You need
to.
to.
How do you guys eat? How do you guys eat? And so if you go,
So yesterday was raining. So what happened? Did you spend?
No,
You didn't spend. Even on a rainy day, you won't spend.
No, like I did see like 2 days ago into me heat, Some of them are.
I mean, so see, looking at the whole thing, I just think, the generation of today,
Yeah.
we like looking at everything going on. It's that we take it or leave it, but we just have to be cautious. That's how I see it.
But I'm not gonna lie. See, like with the Basket Challenge, I have seen some crazy ones. I'm not gonna lie. Like some girls. See some girls, they get nyash. They get
The
Some
body.
you boys.
Oh.
You're the one. I said,
Oh.
once in a while now, but now they're exercising.
Oh, they are actually, it's a new work.
It is because some people are complaining about. But it's not that
Ciara,
bad.
her knees.
Yeah, but you can just go down for a few seconds. Let me show you.
Yeah. Please let me help you.
It's
Do
just
it.
a few seconds.
Let's go.
Ah.
Hey, go girl, hey. Hey.
That's it. And you get up and you go by your business.
Now, oh shit, this is now.
No, but some girls. Yeah, some girls there.
Oh, where will be our wakada? Oh, there was one. The girl started saying, So she actually stopped.
Really? It's not that bad. It's just a
But the
reaction.
challenges for just.
But you guys have been enjoying it, have you?
The
Basket, of course, you see your face.
If you go my book, my plenty there.
Hey. So you've seen plenty of them. Just
This is what you do with Twitter, right?
Hey.
You're wearing them.
Hey.
Ghana for it.
Obviously, in this day and age, we just have to be very cautious, as you were mentioning earlier, about the fact that you might, go get
In the nearby future.
In the nearby future,
Yeah.
The company will search on you.
This
See, when I started
I
started one job last year or 2 years ago.
Okay.
I only found out that they went to go and get a private investigator to investigate on me. Like,
serious?
yo, is that serious? So you have to be, but at the same time as well, these young kids, some of them they don't know, so we have to be very.
Yeah.
Like,
But I know the means they make you not do any challenge because if they're challenging.
Right.
No, they'll do, but let's just know what kind of. Yeah. Yeah, because now even kids 5 years, they have phones now.
Yeah, they're all dancing and doing all sorts on social media. So
sensible ones.
that's it.
Yeah.